How to enable app lock on SafePal. Our guest session is used to enable app lock on your SafePal application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To enable app lock in SafePal, open the SafePal application on a mobile device. Then tap on profile icon or go to settings from the main screen. Scroll down and find security settings section. Tap on app lock and toggle it on. You'll be asked to set a PIN pattern or use your phone number biometric security like fingerprint or face unlock. Once enabled, the SafePal app will require this authentication every time you open it, adding an extra layer of protection to protect your wallet and crypto assets. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you can enable app lock in SafePal. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.